Evening all. So in last class we discussed about the relations and functions. In that particular relations and functions, we have to come across three types of relations, namely the reflexive relations, and then symmetric relation, and then the transitive relation. So reflexive relation, symmetric relation, and transitive relation. When we consider the reflexive relation, in this particular reflexive relation, suppose if I consider capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3. The set capital A contains three elements, say 1, 2, and 3. Now I consider the relation capital R. If capital R contains the elements of the form, say 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3, then we can able to easily conclude that this relation capital R is a reflexive relation. So the definition of reflexive relation says that a relation capital R is said to be the reflexive relation. Capital R is said to be reflexive relation if A comma A belongs to capital R for all small a belongs to capital A. A comma A ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. For all small a belongs to capital A. Then we can able to conclude that the relation capital R is reflexive relation. So here please note that A contains three elements, capital R contains three elements, that is three ordered pairs, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Hence this is a reflexive relation. Suppose if I consider R1 is equal to 1, 1, 3, 3. This relation is not a reflexive relation. This is not a reflexive relation because according to the definition, A comma A belongs to R for all small a belongs to capital A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 1 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ, 1, 1 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ 2, 2 does not belongs to the relation capital R1. Hence this is not a reflexive relation. Okay, now I consider the symmetric relation. This is also one of the type of relation, symmetric relation. So the symmetric relation says that if capital R contains the element A comma B, then B comma A is also belongs to capital R. This type of relation is called as the symmetric relation. So definition of symmetric relation is if A, B belongs to capital R, this leads us B comma A must belongs to capital R. Then we can able to conclude that the given relation is symmetric relation. Say for example, if I consider capital R is equal to, I consider the example capital A is equal to once again 1, 2 and 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Here capital R contains 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1 ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. In this particular relation capital R, we can able to easily conclude that this capital R is not a reflexive ಅಲ್ಲ, because capital A contains 1, 2 and 3. Capital R contains 1, 1, 2, 2 and this capital R does not contain the element 3, 3. Hence, this is not reflexive. Now, my intention is to find whether this capital R is symmetric or not. For that purpose, I consider the element 1, 1. When we interchange 1 and 1, we get once again 1, 1. So, 1, 1 exist ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1, 1 ಸಿಕ್ಕೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 1, 1. Hence, we can able to conclude that 1, 1 belongs to capital R. Hence, another 1, 1 is also belongs to capital R. 2, 2 ಇದೆ. One more 2, 2 is also belongs to capital R. When we come across 1, 2, please note that the element 1, 2 belongs to R imply the element 2, 1 is also belongs to R. So, the element 1, 2 is in capital R. The element 2, 1 is also in capital R. Hence, we can able to conclude that this is a symmetric relation. I consider one more example. Say, capital R is equal to say 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. I consider the elements 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 2. Here, according to the definition of symmetric, if AB belongs to R, then BA must belongs to capital R here. But when we consider 1, 2 belongs to R, this capital R is said to be symmetric. This leaves us 2, 1 must also belongs to capital R. But here we have 1, 2, but in this capital R we don't have 2, 1. Hence here our conclusion is, since the element 2, 1 does not belongs to capital R, hence R is not a symmetric relation. R ಅನ್ನೋದು symmetric relation ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? Here we have 2, 3. Please note that 2, 3 belongs to R. This leaves us 3, 2 also belongs to R. This not leaves us, does not imply that this capital R is symmetric, because according to the symmetric relation, the definition of symmetric relation, please note that for all A, B belongs to capital R ಅಂದ್ರೆ capital R ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೂ for all A, B belongs to capital R, B, A belongs to capital R. Here this definition is holds for the element 2, 3, but the same definition does not hold for the element 1, 2. Hence, it is not a symmetric relation. Now, I consider one more example. Capital R is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Obviously, this is reflexive relation. There is no any doubt here because A contains 3 elements. So, capital R contains 3 ordered pairs, that is 3 elements, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Hence, we can able to conclude that this is definitely a reflexive relation. But we can able to conclude that the same relation is considered as symmetric also. So, this is both reflexive and symmetric. Because 1, 1 here, another 1, 1, we can able to conclude that another 1, 1 is also in the capital R. 2, 2, 3, 3 ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. Now I consider the very important one, the transitive relation. This is very important relation. Transitive relation. The transitive relation, according to the definition of transitive relation, if A, B belongs to R, this is the definition, and here I consider for all AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, this leaves us AC must belongs to capital R. AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, leads us AC must belongs to capital R. So we can able to conclude that. I consider example here. I consider capital R. A is equal to once again 1, 2, 3. ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Capital R consider 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. So I consider only three elements 1, 2, 2, 3. And here I consider one more element 1, 3. So we can able to conclude that this is definitely a transitive relation. So transitive ಯಾಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R gives us AC belongs to R. So here AB 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 3 belongs to R gives us 1, 3 belongs to capital R. So we can able to conclude that this capital R is transitive relation. Now I consider the one more example. R contains the elements say 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. Now my intention is to check whether this capital R is transitive or not. My intention is to check whether this capital R is transitive or not. For transitive, please note that here I consider the element AB and I consider BC. So I consider 1, 1. Now I want to check whether another ordered pair here is start with the element 1 or not. So here this ordered pair is end with the element 1. Now here we have 2, 2 does not start with 1, 3, 3 does not start with 1, 1, 2, so I write 1, 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2 belongs to R and I also consider 2, 1. So 2, 1 ಇದೆ 2 ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 1, 1, 1, 2 belongs to R. These two together gives us the element 1, 2. Here the element 1, 2 belongs to capital R. Now I consider the element 2, 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, 2 ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರು 2 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So 2, 2 ಇದೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Does not start with 2. Does not start with 2. This is the element which start with 2. So I consider 2, 1. These two together gives us 2, 2, 2, 1. Definitely this is belongs to R. Now I consider the element 3, 3. Definitely here in this ordered pair the second element is 3. Now we have to check whether any ordered pair contains the element 3. Here we have 1, 2, there is no 3 here. Here we have 2, 1, there is no 3 here. Here we have 1, 1, there is no 3 here. Here we have 2, 2, so there is no 3 here. So this element is not required here. Now I consider the element 1, 2. Once again I consider the element 1, 2. Now we have to check whether any ordered pair is start with the element 2. Definitely here we have 2, 1. So 2, 2 cancels each other. We get 1, 1 belongs to R ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. And then ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2, 1 ತಗೊಂಡೆ 1, 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 2, 2 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ 1, 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ 2, 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. 2, 2 ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1, 2 ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ 1, 2 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು R ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ 1, 2 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆಯ್ತು. ಕೊನೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 2, 1 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2, 1 ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಇಂದ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 1 ಇದೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2 ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 2, 1 these two together gives us 2, 1 definitely belongs to R and 2, 2 definitely belongs to R. So this capital R satisfies the condition, that is the definition of transitive relation. So we can be able to conclude that from this capital R is transitive relation. ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್. ನೌ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Capital R is equal to 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 2 2 2. Now I want to check whether this element, especially this relation, is transitive or not. For that purpose, I have to consider the first element 1 1. So there is no any ordered pair which contain the first element as 1. So there is no need to check with the element 1 comma 1. Now I consider the second ordered pair 2 2. Now I want to check whether any ordered pair is start with the element 2. So here we have 2 3. I consider 2 3 here. Now I have to check 2 2 with another ordered pair which contains the first element as 2. So 2 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 3 2 ಬೇಡ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Now 2 2 2 2 3 gives us, when we neglect 2 2 here, we get 2 3. Definitely this 2 3 belongs to capital R. Once again here 2 2 and 2 2 2 2 I neglect, sorry, here I consider 3 2 only. Now 2 2 2 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ, 2 3 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. There is no any ordered pair with start with the element 2 here. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು. Now I consider 2 3. Now I want to check whether any ordered pair contains 3 as the first element. Now here we have 3 comma 2 and then there is no any element which start with 3 here. So 3 3 cancels each other. 2 2 belongs to definitely capital R. So 2 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು. 3 2 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 3 2 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 3 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 2 2 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3 2 belongs to R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 2. Please note that here we have 2, here we have 2. When we neglect these two, we get 3 comma 3. Please note that, dear students, this element 3 comma 3 does not belongs to capital R. Here the condition is satisfied for 1 2 3 elements, but the same condition is failed for the element 3 2 and 2 3. Hence we can able to conclude that capital R is not transitive. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೌ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. Equivalence relation. A relation is said to be an equivalence relation if it is reflexive relation, symmetric relation, and then transitive relation. Then we can able to conclude that the relation is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation best example ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. I consider R is equal to 1 2 3. Now I consider capital A is equal to 1 2 3. R ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. A contains 1 2 3, so write 1 1 2 2 3 3. And then we need symmetric relation. We know that this is also act as a symmetric, but chance ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. I consider 1 2 and 2 1. Now definitely we can able to conclude that this is symmetric reflexive as well as transitive. Check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 1 2 2 3 3 gives us reflexive. 1 1 2 2 3 3 and here we have 1 2, so 2 1 it is symmetric. Now definitely it is transitive because 1 1 here, when we neglect 1 here we get 1 2, it is also here. So I consider 2 2. So 2 2 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 1 ಇದೆ, 2 2 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ we get 2 1 here. So ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the one of the easiest example for the equivalence relation. So we can able to conclude that this capital R is an equivalence relation. So in next class we discuss about the problems on equivalence relation. Thank you.